Really? Really? Yeah. Really? Yeah. 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 Really? Really? Damn right. Really? Yeah. Yeah. What's the deal? Why you niggas stay down my scales? Dude, keep it real with yourself. You know your ass still playing, keep it real. Really? Really? Yeah. Wile E. Coyote, I'm the nigga with the plans. Niggas wouldn't last one day in these vans. Niggas couldn't grab 1K of these fans. Believe me, it ain't easy. Shout out to my nigga G-Eazy. Super duper Kyle on tour, girl, gotta come see me. Got more shows than a motherfucking TV. You the dude, you the dude? Really? Really? Yeah. Ain't another nigga that can do it like you. Really? 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 Yeah. 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 Really? Really? Yeah.
Really? No, fuck no. This is fucking corny, my nigga. No one's gonna like this shit. Really go fix your snaggle tooth. Fuck!
Shout out to the young man Brick. It's a real cool kid. Shout out to the man No Smith. We done did it again. We did it. Really? Really? Yeah. Hey Brick, do you feel me? Yeah. Me and Mr. Man bet a couple grand. It's what you really call battle of the bands. Do me a favor, don't mess with me. Best believe you don't wanna go upsetting me. Yes, all I tell ugly is this nigga stressing me. You get your brand new white t-shirt to stress. They'd all take one in the chest from me. That's why they expect the best from me and nothing less. You out of bounds when you step to me. One of my niggas will referee. Watch where you step. You the dude, you the dude? Really? Really? Yeah. Super duper Kyle making moves? Really? Really? Yeah. King Wavy, he's real cool. Really? Really? Yeah. Ain't another nigga that can do it like you.